Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be comparing two air fryers to help you decide which one is the best for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. The Chefman air fryer comes with 4 preset cooking options for French fries, chicken, meat, and fish, making it easy to cook the most common foods. The air fryer, on the other hand, provides 9 preset modes and allows you to customize both time and temperature, letting you cook a wide variety of dishes. With the Even Crisp technology and ThermoIQ technology, you can expect tender and crispy results every time. However, with a 360 degrees rapid air circulation technology, the air fryer can cook food 30% faster than any other air fryers without compromising on taste or quality. Both air fryers are easy to clean. The Chefman air fryer has a non-stick basket and flat frying tray that are top-rack dishwasher safe. The air fryer, on the other hand, has a detachable non-stick basket that is dishwasher safe too. They both require minimal effort when cleaning, although the Chefman's basket is slightly more substantial and hence might be more difficult to clean than the air fryer's basket. The Chefman air fryer has an 8-quart capacity that can serve large families with big appetites, and the square design makes it easy to store. The air fryer has a 4-quart capacity that can serve up to 2 to 4 people, and it takes up very little counter space. If you have limited storage and counter space, the air fryer might be a better fit for you, while the Chefman air fryer is perfect for those who want a more substantial capacity. The Chefman air fryer is priced at $99, while the air fryer is priced at $79. While the Chefman air fryer has a larger capacity and some useful features like LED shake reminder, the air fryer's fast cooking time and customization options may be more suitable for some buyers. Ultimately, the decision will depend on your specific needs and budget. So, that concludes our comparison between these two affordable air fryers. We hope this helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.